Planning to relocate your vehicle to Auckland, New Zealand. Whether you're returning home, moving for work, or importing a specialty car, this journey takes smart coordination. Today we'll walk you through what to expect: costs, shipping methods, arrival procedures, and how to make it smooth. Here's what the numbers are telling us for Auckland. Vehicle shipments, including a dedicated 20-foot container, often run around $3,200 for many U.S. origin routes to Auckland, with transit times typically 5 plus 26 days depending on origin port and service type. The cost and time vary based on vehicle size, shipping route, and method. First, obtain a detailed quote that lists origin, shipping method, container or roll-on roll-off, and destination charges. Second, prepare your vehicle. Clean it thoroughly, photograph its condition, check mechanical and cosmetic state, remove personal items, and ensure valid title/registration. Third, check destination access and fees in New Zealand. Along with Auckland port procedures, you'll face biosecurity inspections, import certification requirements, and potential taxes. You'll choose between major shipping methods. Container shipping. Your vehicle in a 20-foot or 40-foot container offers full protection and allows extra items if permitted. Roll-on roll-off, RORO, is typically more cost-effective but less protection, and usually no personal items in the vehicle. Consider whether a dedicated container is used just for your vehicle or shared, which affects cost and flexibility. Make sure your shipment includes insurance and tracking so you can monitor your car during transit. When the car reaches Auckland, it must pass customs clearance, including documentation review and any duties or taxes, e.g. GST based on landed cost. At delivery, inspect your vehicle carefully, match its condition to your pre-shipment photos, and check for damage. Finally, arrange local delivery from the port to your address and plan for registration requirements in New Zealand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more international car shipping and relocation tips, and hit the notification bell.